What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Stocks in Play Daily. This is going to be the daily watch list coming in from Friday, December 30th, 2022, that we could use going into Tuesday, January 3rd, 2023. This is Stocks in Play Daily, where we got the best company news, where we identify active stocks, and we find potential opportunities with real catalysts and some type of news to provide us with some trading edge. All right. Let's go with first on the list, DLNG. DLNG currently at 262 a share. Relative volume was 3.6 on Friday. Average trading range is 18 cents per day. Market cap at $96 million. DLNG signed a 3-year contract for a natural gas carrying ship. It will increase their revenue backlog by $116 million per year. Possible LNG, liquid natural gas proxy play. I'm bullish and just bought some calls on natural gas on Friday. Speaking of Friday, they had this stock DLNG had a strong push above the 50 and 200 day moving average, or towards it, I guess we could say, on the 3-day and 10-day, There we go. Push above here and a push above there. Hold of Friday's close, 262. Highs of 265 would be really nice. But VWAP's around 230, 235. We could hold here and still be in play. Targets for DLNG, 268, 270, 275. $275 is here. 284 is the 50-day moving average, give or take. Goals of 290, 296. And $3 even for DLNG. Okay, next up on our watch list, we got GRPN, Groupon. Groupon is currently at $8.70 a share. Relative volume is 3.2 on Friday. Average trading range for Groupon is 65 cents a day. Market cap's at $261 million. Recent news is from November. Price targets actually being lowered. Morgan Stanley lowers from 18 to 15. Goldman Sachs lowers from 10 to 650. 52-week lows at $6.22 for Groupon, GRPN. Well, bullish day on Friday, so if this continues, I would like this stock to hold $7.15, $7.25. VWAP is at 760. This is a better hold than anything, in my opinion. Friday highs need to break and hold 850 and 871. 850 is here. Important level. 870, 871, of course, aftermarket high for Groupon. Targeting above these levels, 880, 888. $880 is here. $888. It's not going to get it. $9 flat. $9.21 after that. $9.30 and then $9.70 here. And just about there, give or take. Goals of 10, 10.05, 10.23, 10, 10.25. and 1023. Breakout above that could be targeting the 200-day moving average at about $12 a share for a group on GRPN. Next up on the list, we got GNSS, Genesis Inc. Currently at $3.70 as of Friday a share. They make emergency alert software and hardware for North and South America. The news on Friday is that they signed an emergency contract deal with Monterey County, California. This is from December 13th news, and it's a continuation since then. November 30th, adjusted earning per share is a loss of 2 cents, which means they're almost profitable. And at the same time, their revenues beat by $1 million, coming in at $16 million versus $15 million expected. 50-day moving average is close to a cross above the 200-day moving average, which will be a super bullish sign if this wants to continue in this direction. Breakout of 362, 360, holding 341. Could become potential targets of 385, 390. $385 is here, 390, 395, 94-ish, give or take, $4 even, with goals of 404, 409, 415, and 427. $409, 417 instead of 415, give or take, maybe 415 to be safe, 427. There. This is for GNSS, and 469. That's my final goal for GNSS. Just about there. All right. Next up on the list, we got ARBK. And they are currently at $1.08 a share. This is Argo blockchain. They have just divested on Wednesday their blockchain mining division for $65 million. Stock needs to hold 94 cents and Friday consolidation of 105 for it to be in play still. Friday's highs need to break 120, 128, 138 levels. 120, 128, 138 levels. If we break out above that, I'd say we target 164 and 185. Potential targets next. After that, we'll be looking at 195 as a goal and 210 as a goal for ARBK, Argo blockchain. Gap fill play as well on the 1-year chart. Okay, next up on the list, we got FREQ, Frequency Therapeutics, currently at $3.85 a share. This company works on sensory neural therapy treatments and multiple sclerosis therapy treatments. Recent news, price targets are at 8 by Oppenheimer, 7 by Chardon Capital, and 10 by Bayard. They're currently at $3.85 a share. Price targets boosting way higher than that. Needs to hold Friday levels of 370 or 385 for this to be a fully in play trade. Possible hold to be in play will be 330, 331 range for FREQ. 324 is okay, but we don't really want to see it dip much below that to be in play for frequency. Relative volume was at 3.6. ATR is 30 cents a day for frequency therapeutics, FREQ, and the market cap's at 136 million. Friday highs 415, 425, a breakout above these levels. We are going to be targeting 488 and 507. Just about there. 5 even, of course, as usual, and 507 is there. You can see there. Goals of 515, 550, 575. Six even, 625 and 645. 575 there. Okay, I'll leave it at that for frequency. Top end goal 6 even, 625, 645. Couple of the notable names on the scanner from the Dow and from the NASDAQ. I got Verizon, slow mover. Nonetheless, breakout of this consolidation range is continuing. At least it's an attempt. It might be a heavy sell back, knocking it into this consolidation range. Your choice to make. Also, we got Disney with the heavy volume coming in. Lows of the year, lows of the 2 year. Working on 3 year lows, but not quite there. 3 year lows are at like $79, give or take, for Disney. Here you can see, I'll pull it up now. What is it? 79.07 3 year lows. 84 is super important, but 81 and 80 flat could be next on target for Disney. Going in here, we also have CTSH with some volume, more than normal. Cognizant could be targeting the 50-day moving average, or on the low side could be targeting $55 a share or $54.40 a share. Currently at $57.19 a share. CTSH from the NASDAQ 100. And CPRT, 60.89 a share. This could be either side as well. It's tough for me to say which way this is going. Towards the VWAP at 62, or down towards the 200-day moving average at 59.20 is possible, with low goals of 58.30, high goal of 62.63, give or take, for CPRT, currently at $60.89. And finally, on the larger name scan, we have FL Foot Locker. I believe this to be a sympathy play with Nike. Nike's been holding up and consolidating, but this stock has been moving upwards since Nike's earnings. Currently at $37.79 a share. I think it's targeting the $41 range, possibly $40, and a breakout of 40 would be 41 to these next levels if this is a strong fill. Or it's targeting the 50-day and 200-day. It's one or the other in my mind, but this is FL Foot Locker. In my eyes, it's a sympathy play with Nike from Nike's earnings. All right. Just a quick recap. Some of the stocks that I'm watching, some of these stocks were on the weekly recap video, so check in with it, but it's got bad audio. I got a new mic finally, so shout out to a new mic. ORMP, currently at 12. Targets of 1280. Possible. Acro, AKRO. Currently at 54.80. Targets of 58 or 59, give or take. VKTX, currently at 940. Targets of 950 up to 10, 1030, and 1090. Even ETNB currently at 1273. Targets of 1290, 1307, 1337, 1370, 14, and 1430. That's ETNB. MUFG 1 year breakout at 678 upcoming insight. Potential targets above that would be 686, 691, 697, and 7 and 715. Currently at 667 a share. TGTX FDA approved for multiple sclerosis, currently at 1183 a share with targets of 1254, 1290, 1362, 1415, and 1462. PDSB currently at 375, targets at 4, 470, 5, and 550. The 200 week moving average. PRQR 375 a share. I got that wrong, excuse me, I think I messed that up. PRQR 375 targeting 4, 475, and 550. Let's go back. PRVB Proverbs Prevention Bio, excuse me, PDSB 1331 a share, targets of 1413, 1450, 1475, 1480, and $15. 1543, 1560. 21-month survival versus 4 to 6 month survival for the average cancer patient there. Next up on the list, after I stop messing it up, from the weekly recap video, and this is the watch list going into next week, starting on Tuesday as well. Not just a recap here, but still active in play stock and trade names here. PRVB currently at 1057, targeting 1115, 1120, 1130, and 12. And then 1225. Sanofi announcement coming by February. Next up on the list, GLYC. And the final one on the list, I'll say here, currently at 312 a share. Targets are at 327, 345, 350 range, and 360 at the 200 week moving average. That's GLYC. And this was another daily watch list from Stocks in Play, where we bring to you the best company news and the most active stocks in the market every single day. So like and subscribe if you like Stocks in Play and like making money on trades. So let's do it. Have a good one, everybody, and thanks for checking in.